members to resume their seats. I am appealing the members to resume their seats. I am requesting the members to resume your seats. Zero hour lo permit chestam. Please resume your seat. Motion mode. The question is that the members named by the Honorable Mr. be suspended from the service of the House for this session days. Those who are for the motion, please say aye. Those who are against, please say no. Ayes have it, ayes have it. The motion is carried and the members named by the minister are suspended from the service of the House this session days. చాలా సార్లు రిపీటెడ్ గా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసినాము, అప్పీల్ చేసినాము, తీర్మానం చేసిన విషయాన్ని గుర్తు చేసినాము, 0 అవర్లో అవకాశం ఇస్తామన్నాము, ఎస్సీ ఎస్టీ దాని మీద మాట్లాడమన్నాము. ఇన్ని అవకాశాలు ఇచ్చినాక కూడా హౌస్ ను కంటిన్యూస్ గా డిస్టర్బ్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం. Please leave the house. Please leave the house. I request the members suspended to leave the house. I am requesting the members suspended to leave the house. Please, I am requesting the suspended members to leave the house. Please resume your seats. No. Please resume your seats. Please resume your seat. Minister garu reply cheyandi. Minister garu. Finance Minister garu. Please.
Adhyaksha.